Meaningless words went straight to your head. Hold on to your pride and I'll hold my breath. Go beat that horse till it's long past dead. I'll pack my bags and I'll figure something out. I'll shut the door if you shut your mouth. Go drain me in my love until I'm long past drought. I was never your baby. I was only just a maybe. Everything you hate about me was a cruel, sick DNA guarantee. Childlike mother and another lead child. Child like its mother, like child. To like to love each other more than acceptably mild. A dog bites bones like a daughter bites her words. Fight like wolves but flee like birds. We're from the same pack but from reveling herds. I was never your baby. I was only just a maybe. Everything you hate about me was a cruel, sick DNA guarantee that we can fight in the yard till we lose both our voices and the cops apart. And we can scream in each other's face till we decide we're tired of yelling and we'll run it back another day. Another day. I was never your baby. I was only just a maybe. Everything you hate about me was a cruel, sick DNA guarantee. I was never your baby. I was only just a maybe. Everything you hate about me was a cruel, sick DNA guarantee.
When you're gone, I feel alone again. The voices cannot hold my hand. They keep me company at very best. Distract me from my loneliness. Maybe I'm just an anomaly. Even my demons have their families. Truly something must be wrong with me to need you as much as I do. I was never meant to win. I was never meant to win. I was never meant to win. Here's the rain, take a hold of me. Please don't let me go. You do the talking, so up my mouth if I can't keep it closed. There's a dog barking right around the block and a big old whistle blow. Run for it, I'll keep 'em occupied for you, 'cause I love you so. Left me hanging at the station, but you'll be back for me soon. I'm about to die and the only thing I find worried about is you. Something tells me you're coming, guess that I'm truly doomed. I'm about to die and the only thing I find worried about just a pawn in your game, not your partner in crime. And you're slowly killing me, taking your time. You're slowly killing me, taking your time. You're slowly killing me, taking your time. You're slowly killing me, taking your I was never meant to win. You're slowly killing me, and yet I don't mind. You're slowly killing me, but please take your time.
I like bike riding, it's oh so exciting, much better than fighting with all who come near me.
Rope's getting tighter, my hands on the lighter, I'm playing with fire, you'd better come save me.
That there's my sister, yeah you couldn't miss her, that big facial blister, her pity getting schemed.
I think I hate her, those green alligators, I wish they'd had ate her, if that had been beauty. That there's a part of me that's appealingly sweet, I'm sure you'd agree if you got to know me. And admittedly, I'm not that interesting, but I'll let you have what's mine if you just give me your time.
If there's a party today, it's not coming my way. Should be needless to say that I need things to change.
Remember yesterday, I bought you flowers, you threw them away. Coffee and peppermint tea, brewing instructions engraved on leaves, symbols that I can't read. Seems it's all written in Chinese, I could use some help translating these.
Unsprouted seed, a hot spring with its waters frozen over by your cold mentality. If it's grief you need, you take my spleen, I'm gonna bleed all over the floor and more until you remember me.
I like bike riding, it can be exciting,
but I'm through with hiding, you're gonna think I'm crazy. Following swords now, too bad I don't know how, I'm juggling knives. Ow!
3 fingers that cost me. What have I done? A green luscious island, it's covered in diamonds, far as the eye can see.
Lower the bar, cause I'm choking on stardust, becoming a carcass.
No pains are that tasty. There's a part of me that's unfeelingly sweet, I'm sure you'd agree if you got to know me. And admittedly, I'm not that interesting, but I'll let you have what's mine if you just give me your time.
With myself I must play in this game of charades, cause there's no one to speak to of things I've got in my brain.
There's nothing particular I need you to say, at least care to see if I'm okay. Watch me now play with pointy things. Look, see, isn't it interesting? No, you're not even listening. Is that not brave enough for you?
As flies are drawn to the rotting cheese, their fate is attracted to misery. In this case, that's another word for me, so I'll boost the danger times 2.
Or maybe 3.
Just red paint, babe, this ain't pretend.
How I long for your arms again.
I might lose me a leg or head, maybe you would believe me then. Autumn leaves failed to break my fall,
sticks and stones didn't care at all.
Skin and bones decorate the walls, think that's everything I can recall.
Finally, a party just for me. In contrast with those attending, I'm quite happy.
Like your brain's hard drive just installed sympathy. Judging by how much you cry, it's like you're draining your eyes.
Not in Candyland, I paid the entrance fee. Good thing no one tried to stop me through my self-injury spree.
People, please, you should be smiling. If you cared that much, should have showed love, or I became a piece of meat.
Hey, come on, let's up the vibrancy
I want some sort of balloons, and your tears can be the confetti. From living faces to your priority. Honey, how much more you notice something that you can't see. A whole garden of flowers and my name etched on a rock. All this could have been avoided, all I wanted was to talk. Now I've been appointed as your new king. I decree that it's too late to start caring about me.
Top 10 ways to smear honey on your face. Cut your nails, do your makeup, and wake up late. Fill a bottle up with water and a soggy piece of fruit. Fill a workbook up with things you can do when you're stressed. When things are just a mess, when you're feeling kinda anxious or like maybe depressed. I mean, maybe if you tried more, maybe if you tried, maybe if you took more vitamins, you would learn to live a fucking life.
I'm not like that. I'm not coming back. I don't want it like that. Not like that. I'm not like that. It won't be okay. I don't want it like that. Not that way.
Do drugs, have sex, tell your deepest, darkest secrets to your friends. Post cringe, buy guns. Are you done yet? Fuck, not enough. Cry a river, smash a cup. But it's never ever gonna be enough for the people in the back row. But you still choose to listen, knowing damn well it's really not their decision. Maybe if you tried more, then you would deserve it. Maybe if you fixed the whole world by yourself, then you'd earn it.
I'm not like that. I'm not coming back. I don't want it like that. Not like that. I'm not like that. It won't be okay. I don't want it like that. Not that way.
Another secret without a secret. It makes me go secure, better to make this way. Another goal, another cup, another sick on the daughter break. God, it makes my bones ache. This life was all mistake. The smell of nauseating cafe. The sound of that shivering machine. The sensation of that heat clinging to my sweaty skin. Working until the not solid core. I feel barely immersed. Tell us,
You're being unfair.
tell us.
Do you even care?
But that can useless, you won't make it fast. You get and clueless. This is all you really are. All you need. I'm not a girl, I'm not a cup, I'm not a secret without a secret. It makes me go secure, better make this way. Another goal, another cup, another sick on the daughter break. God, it makes my bones ache. This life was all mistake. The smell of nauseating cafe. Another day with this routine. The sensation of that heat clinging to my sweaty skin. Working until the not solid core. I feel barely immersed. Tell us,
You're being unfair.
tell us.
Do you even care?
But that can useless, you won't make it fast. You get and clueless. This is all you really are. I know the coffee.
Have you ever felt like gas threw you back out on the axis and collapsed and threw the planet away? Everyone's just blood in a nice tray, a vampire picking flowers out in the sun. Run your diagnostic test is positive, nobody dies agnostic, though we still dial 911. And now we're singing, it's an on-fire animal. Could you take a look at me? In my bed, in my bed, in my bed, in my breathing. And now we're singing, it's an on-fire animal. Whatever you think of me. If you were in my shoes, you are the same damn miles I do. We're only tuning to the tone of the bell curve now. That's not for human tones. But with my head up in the clouds, I can't see so much ground. And from here, yeah, I look like ants in a row. It doesn't take a killer to murder, it only takes a reason to kill. We've all got evidence of innocence, it's everything's coincidence. The difference betwixt fate and free will is whether you're singing. Could you take a look at me? In my bed, in my bed, in my bed, in my breathing. And now we're singing, whatever you think of me. If you were in my shoes, you had the same damn miles I do. Oh, alright. Second floor, mainly for your skeletons, but still can shut the closet door. The only ones in need of love are those who don't receive enough. So even once you get a little more, yeah, you can break an angel's heart. You take a look at me. In my bed, in my bed, in my bed, in my breathing. Now we're singing, yeah, whatever you think of me. If the shoes fit so what you had that in mind, now you could put it on the other foot, it's the same size. Yeah, don't you take a look at me? In my bed, really that bad. We're singing, yeah, whatever you think of me. If you were in my shoes, you see how well I sing sensation. Oh, alright.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of here. Cut my hair to make you stare. I'll hide my chest and I'll figure out a way to get us out of here. of your porcelain face. I can't really think right now in this place. There's too many colors, enough to drive all of us insane. Are you dead? Sometimes I think I'm dead, 'cause I can feel ghosts and ghouls wrapping my head. But I don't wanna fall asleep just yet. My eyes went dark. I don't know where. My pupils are, but I'll figure out a way to get us out of here. Get a load of this monster. He doesn't know how to communicate. His mind is in a different place. Will everybody please give him a little bit of space? Get a load of this train wreck. His hair's a mess and he doesn't know who he is yet. But little do we know the stars welcome him with open arms. Oh. Time is slowly tracing his face, but strangely he feels at home in this place.
Sylvia, you are a fugitive on the run, not sure from what. Every day you're like a different girl. Who are you trying to fool? Sylvia, it's such a pleasure to know you. Oh, I still get a little starstruck, baby, shine so bright, and you still give me butterflies. Oh, baby, you shine so bright. Sylvia, do I measure up to the monolith of celebrity? Though I do feel rather leviathan as a faithful shadow in your burning glow. Sylvia, please tell me rumors are true. Sylvia, it was such an honor to meet you. Oh, I still get a little starstruck, baby, shine so bright, and you still give me butterflies. Oh, baby, you shine so bright, so bright, so bright, so bright enough to light me up, 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 up,
turning from fog to silver and to light. Oh, I could die under your sightless love. See how I circle imaginary lines that the maze of my design carry on.
Just bump my head and my face turns purple. Running through hurdles, running in circles, trying to escape from this thing that I fear. Everything seems clear, like the end is near. In the rear, I can see the beast getting close, surrounded by ghosts in the cloud of smoke. The smoke reeks of failure. I don't want to fail, but all the stairwells lead straight to hell. So I'm jumping trap doors in the floor before they floor me. Focus on the love and the light right before me. Walls keep spinning and my path keeps turning. Patience thinning and my calves keep burning. Hotter than the furnace. Suddenly I'm learning. Maybe I finally reached the point of no returning. East is north and west is south. I feel like I'ma never get out. I'm trapped.
See how I circle imaginary lines that the maze of my design carry on. See how I
Behind me, my ex-girl's chasing me. In front of me, my next girl's facing me. Awaiting me, the lights in my sight, but I can't cross these enemy lines up behind. I can feel the fatigue, but I'm dying to shine. But the road winds, I rewind. Gotta find a new place to hide for the night. Will I ever escape? Boy, I try and I try. Everybody's watching me, I'm dying to get out. In the glass labyrinth, I am the mouse. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped.
I'm satisfied with being alive. Goals are like a coconut pie that I'm allergic to. I like apple better anyway. Hey, look! I can do a cool trick with my hands. Never mind, but it's not that I can't. It's that I don't want to. Every day's it's an holiday. I could douse fires, pluck at strings, simmer black salt with blazing heat. Yet here I sing about nothing. Poured my heart out in the sink with my cologne and left a big old gaping hole. Just cavity, but I don't mind 'cause I got ice cream. Somebody else's fractured dreams got up on their little feet and came to talk to me. Too bad I wasn't listening. I was too busy falling asleep.